So we're fixing to replace the light in my little bathroom. Now it's kind of small, so I thought it'd be better just to do the unboxing out here just to show you what kind of light that we have. This is a 3-light bathroom fixture. So we are going to get this open because knowing how well it ships is just as important to me as what you're picking, because of the fact if it comes in broken, you're going to have to take it back. And as you can see, really nice foamed. Comes with the instructions and gloves if you didn't want to get it dirty. And it comes with everything you need. Individually packed, so it's gonna last. Or it's gonna be shipped and be able to not get broken. So we're gonna get this out, we're gonna get this on, and we're gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so this was the old mounting hardware. Now, with the old mounting hardware, you were kind of limited on everything you do. This new hardware that they give you, it has a lot more versatile holes in it to be able to go a lot of different ways depending on what box you have in the wall. Now, when you're doing this, remember, you want black to black. You want black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. Tug on them, make sure that they are in, just so that you don't, and remember the first thing is what? Yeah, that's right, you turn off the power first. That way you don't have to worry about being electrocuted. This is the ground wire, and we are going to connect it to the ground right here. So now we're gonna get this finished, get it mounted up, and then you're gonna see what it looks like on. Okay, so we've got it all put up, all put in, all the light bulbs are in. Now you're asking me why I'm wearing a glove. Simple, you're not supposed to touch these LED lights because what happens is just the oil just makes it not good after a long period of time. It won't last as long. So wear the glove. Now we've already turned the power on, so here we go. And boom, look at that. Very beautiful. I love the details of it looks like crystal up here at the top. The glass is really nice. It's really, really, really nice. And you could go either direction with this. We could turn this 180 degrees and go up. I like it turned down. So if you are looking for a multi-positional, because we can turn it up or turn it down, light, for your room, get you one of these.